Unplug the base from the surge protector or wall outlet. Remove the control box clip by pinching the sides and then unplug the actuator as indicated by the blue or green sticker. Uninstall the actuator by removing the cotter pin followed by the washers and pin from each side of the actuator. Save these pins and washers. Be sure to keep the white bushings in place. Gently remove the old Richmat or Okin actuator. Insert the new master actuator by lining up the holes on both ends of the actuator with the white bushings. You may need to adjust the rod to fit the holes. Insert the pins, washers, and cotter pins on each side of the actuator. Ensure there are enough washers to make a tight fit to prevent any wobbling, which could damage the base. Plug the actuator into the head or foot motor port on the master control box. Plug the base into the surge protector or wall outlet.